What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig I got from Unice. This is one of their curtain bangs wig. This is a 24-inch 180 density pre-curled wig, and it comes with these curtain bangs here. This is also one of their pre-everything wigs, so that means of course it is pre-bleached. So you can see that here the lace is pre-cut, and this is just the construction of the wig with your combs and your bands there. The wig is super cute. Really quickly, I'm just going to show you some of the things that comes in the box, but I'm really excited to install this wig, so keep watching. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna make this quick because the installation process for this is so simple. It really doesn't take a lot at all. My hair is already braided, so I'm just sliding off my my bonnet. I have these like weird braids going straight to the back. For this install, I am going to use a wig cap. I love that with these curtain bang wigs especially, you can't see the wig cap at all underneath it because the bangs covers up everything. So now I'm just going in with my cream makeup and my flat top brush, and I'm just coloring the wig cap so that the top of it will look brown underneath the wig. So the elastic band comes separately, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install it right now. It's super simple. There are holes in which you're gonna slide the little plastic piece of the band into. You're just gonna do one on each side, slide it right through the loop, and then you have the elastic band on. I adjusted it to make sure it fit like tight enough for my head, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and slide it on to the back and make sure it fits comfortably. There's also a comb in the back of the wig that I showed you earlier in the video. I slide that into the back of my braids because it provides a whole bunch of extra security to make sure it doesn't move anywhere. And now I'm just going to put the little roller back into the bang just to keep the curl for now, and then I'll take it out a little bit later. So as far as the installation process, that's pretty much it. The only thing you have to do now is just style it to your liking. So I'm putting baby hairs in this. I know you're like, why are you adding baby hairs to a wig with bangs? Which I didn't need to do, but if you notice like the type of hairline that I have, my natural hairline comes down a little bit further than the lining of the wig. So I just like to do baby hairs right there just to cover it up and make it blend a little bit better. Again, everybody's hairline is different. Not everybody has the hairline that I do, so this is probably like unnecessary, but you can see where I'm pointing right there, like you can see my hair. So I just want to cover it up with the wig hair using baby hairs. So I'm just going to cut my edges on both sides. I like to cut them really short to make them look really natural, and then I'm just taking some of my gel and I'm going to swoop them into place. So once I feel my edges are in a good place, I'm taking some of this spray and just spraying them right behind the hairline, or right onto the hairline where my baby hairs are, just so that my baby hairs can stay in place and so they won't move anywhere. This spray makes them like super hard, and I'm just going to air dry them. But ultimately the wig is glueless, like you don't need any adhesive or anything like that. This is just for the purpose of my edges so that it lays flat all day, because that little gel that I use really don't last that long. So I just like to make sure this lasts so I'm not looking crazy. And then so once this is dry, I'm just going to take the little edge band that they provided and wrap my edges. So after about like 10-15 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take the wig band off just to make sure everything is looking how I want it to. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and start styling like the actual hair. So this is the bang. It comes pre-rolled and curled, and it looks so cute. So I'm just gonna take that little roller out, and I'm just gonna like finger through the curls. I love that it comes pre-curled because that is less work for me, honey, and you know I don't like doing all the extra work. And now I'm just taking my cream makeup again and just putting it along my hairline, like right where my edges are, and underneath the bangs, just so it blends better with my complexion. But if you notice, I didn't put any glue or anything like in the bang area on my forehead. It's literally just makeup because you don't even need it. And now I'm just gonna brush through the hair and kind of just like brush out the curls. I kind of wanted more of a like body wave, like loose wave type of vibe, and really I was just getting like a feel for the wig. The hair feels super soft, and I love the layers that are cut into here because that makes the wig everything, honestly. These layers with the bang is very, very cute, and they basically do all the work for you, so you don't have to do any cutting whatsoever. Now I'm just playing around with the wig so you can kind of get an idea of like the versatility. As you can see, like as I pull up my hair, you can see the layers a little bit better. Around your ears, it's cut to about like shoulder length, and then it gets a little bit longer from there. But you can do so many hairstyles with this. So the first one I'm going to do is my classic go-to half up, half down. I'm just taking like a little ponytail holder and just putting the top like closure part into a ponytail. If you wanted to make it more sleek and use product, you absolutely can, but I kind of like just taking the hair and just pulling it straight back, and just putting it into a ponytail as it is, and then I just pull it tight like this, and then so you can kind of just get the vibes. It's very cutesy, very girly, especially with the bangs. It makes it look really cute, and you can do the layers any kind of way. You can tuck it behind your ear, you can keep them out. Like it just gives, it's giving, okay? It just gives like that natural, I just threw my hair up real quick look, because that's exactly what I just did. But it looks cute. And then also, if you don't want to do like the little half up, half down, you can also do a ponytail. I just take the hair and pull it straight back into a ponytail. You can do a high ponytail, you can do a low ponytail. Right now, I'm just trying out like a little like a midi ponytail, I guess, like in the middle of my head in the back. I'm just taking out the little wispy pieces on each side. The layers in here is really what contributes to the style, and it hides like any of the borders of the wig that you would have ordinarily saw, like, because you know this is a 7x5 closure wig, it's not a frontal, but since it has so many layers and stuff on the sides, it covers up like anybody being able to see the sides of the wig, so it looks super natural. And this is what it's looking like from the back. And at the back here, what you can do is pull some of the hair down. Well, first of all, I need to brush up my kitchen, so whatever. But like, if what you can do is like pull down some of the hair in the back so it kind of covers that little line there. But aside from that, you can absolutely wear this out, going to the grocery store, going on a cute little nail run, what have you. It's about to be springtime very shortly, so this is very cute and lightweight for spring. But yeah, that's it to this installation. My first impressions of this wig is I actually really, really love it. Like I said, the hair is soft. I love how the layers are cut. They frame your face very well. But if you want them like the layers a little bit shorter, you can always cut it yourself if you want to. But the point of this wig is you're not supposed to do nothing anyway, but do what you want to. You can curl it, you can flat iron it, you can do whatever. I love the bangs in it. It gives you so much versatility. I definitely believe you get a bang for your buck. The hair is very lightweight. It is not heavy at all, but it still looks full because of the layers that they put in it. So you still get that full like voluminous look without the weight of the hair being super heavy. So I like that. I don't have any issues with tangling at all. I can run my fingers through the hair and I don't have any issues with shedding. It's very, very minimal. I can do like an update for you guys a little bit later, but this is definitely just like my initial input on the wig. But that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, all the information will be in the description box below, and that's it. Adios till next time.